Great news for Muslims around the world. Umrah visa restrictions have been lifted. Now people can perform Umrah on any type of visa. Saudi authorities have announced a major convenience for those wishing to perform Umrah. According to the Saudi Ministry of Hajj and Umrah, anyone entering Saudi Arabia on any kind of visa will now be able to perform the pilgrimage. The ministry's spokesperson confirmed that even holders of visit visas, family visit visas, or tourist visas can now perform Umrah. The purpose of this new policy is to make the spiritual journey easier and more accessible for as many Muslims as possible. In line with this, the Nusuk Umrah portal has also been updated to provide all essential information and services related to visas in one place. The ministry explained that this initiative is part of Saudi Vision 2030, which aims to provide pilgrims with every possible convenience and make their spiritual experience memorable. The statement further emphasized that the ministry is committed to ensuring ease and comfort for all pilgrims during Hajj and Umrah, so that everyone can perform their religious duties without any difficulty. It also highlighted that this step reflects the determination of the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Salman bin Abdulaziz and Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, to provide a safe, peaceful, and spiritual environment for worshippers visiting the two holy mosques. The government's goal is to make every pilgrim's journey of faith pleasant, meaningful, and spiritually fulfilling.